All right, welcome back. We are now going to begin a MyAI post using the Nowsite Marketing mobile app. So if you look on the left-hand column, you can find the fourth icon down is the Nowsite Marketing app. I will tap on that, get this out of the way. And here's what it opens up to right now, right at the top, create a social post. This is how it opens. At the bottom, you can find that you can go into your MyAI chat, you can go into your contacts, you can go into marketing, you can get refer code, but let's just stay on the social app. It's all you need. Just like before, we can start with the surprise me button. Fun, easy, but I'm just going to take it one step further and we're going to caption my image instead this time. So if you want to see the surprise me button, go watch the video on the desktop. But the caption my image button is pretty cool too. So I'm going to click on that. Describe my images. Jack and me up in a lift high above our home with lots of beautiful fall foliage. Look at this view. Short video of the surprise Jack found in our belfry. There's the hint, right? All right, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to click on generate. What a sight to behold. High in our lift, Jack and I came across a world bursting with autumnal beauty right above our home. I'm lost for words. The russet leaves, the caramel hues, all of nature's masterpieces on full display. Some experiences just remind us how small we are in the vast universe. So don't let life slip by. Pause, look around, and soak in Earth's wonders. Totally, absolutely, beautifully phrased. Now I'm going to add a little bit about the extra, but remember, I just described the photos. I didn't give this much description. We're going to post this on Facebook. So I clicked on that. Now it gives the directions here and what I'm going to do. But on Facebook, it's super easy. It opens right to my home screen. At the top, I'm going to tap on what's on your mind. It posts up here. Tap, paste, and there it is. So what a sight to behold, high in our lift, da, da, da. I'm going to add some white space in here because I always do. Some experiences remind us how small we are in this vast universe. Be sure to see the tiny surprise Jack found in our belfry. There we go. And don't let the life slip by. Pause, look around, and soak in Earth's that one. I can't say it. And as usual, I'm going to add in 𝙁𝙤𝙪𝙧. So this is where you do your edits, is all in here. But we still have to add the photos. So I'm going to, on the left-hand side, tap on the green photo icon. There we go. I'm going to find the photos that I want to include. There we are above our roof. There we are. That's how far we are off the ground. There's then the belfry and the little surprise. All right, so I've got my images, click done, and now all of those has popped up in this selection. And that's it. I have it. I've created my post. All I need to do, in this case, it's a business account, so I hit next, I hit post, and it goes. If you have a normal Facebook account, you would just post. And that is how easy it is to post using the Nowsite mobile app. just to show you, you can then go back to the app. It's still there. If you want to post on another area, you certainly can. You want to post on Instagram, post, plus. I'm going to do that one. So next, in this case, I'm not going to mention the thing in the belfry. Next, I don't need to do anything. Write a caption, paste, add hashtag joyminder, and get this out of the way. Okay, and share. So super, super, super easy to do. Have fun using your new Nowsite marketing app.